Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing another full day of eating vlog. This is where you guys follow me around for the entire day and we plan out all the things that I'm eating in my Carb Manager app. This is real life. You'll see my kids throughout the day as they're with me, and you will get to see what I have for breakfast, lunch, a snack if any, and also dinner. At the end of the day, it would all be tallied in carbmanager.com or the app, and I will show you guys what the macros end up being. This is such a real life day, you guys. I don't even spend the whole day at home. It's just real life. So there is a playlist of all of these. You guys have been seeming to love them, always asking for ideas of how do you eat a balanced ratio with your macros diet in a day. So you're gonna follow me around. Captain America might make an appearance, I'm not sure, but this is how it goes. So me, 3 kids, it's a Friday, lots going on, and even right now I can tell you as I film the intro, I have no idea what I'm gonna do about dinner. And this little guy right here wants to say something. Go ahead.
I'm wrestling Captain America right now.
He wants you to know that. Good job. Okay, sweet. So if you're interested in what a full day of eating keto, low carb looks like with macros that are pretty on point, although I haven't even had dinner, so who knows what's gonna happen, then just keep watching. Good morning, guys. Okay, so breakfast. If you've been around for any length of time on the channel now, you know that I don't really eat food for breakfast. I more or less have a bulletproof coffee, a coffee with keto cream, and that's what I'm gonna do today. So I will show you how I make that, and I will be using this guy right here, sweet cream. Don't mind my nails, they need to get done. And it's filled with all types of collagen types, MCT oil types. It has the DNA repair in it. It starts you off with all your high functional fats that you need to start the day. So that's why I always start with this, and actually today I am on the go, so I'm going to make it and throw it into a travel mug and take it with me, and that's how simple it is. It's 130 calories, 12 grams of fat, and 2 grams of protein, and there are 3 net carbs in here. So this is how I start my day. This is breakfast. And now it's in, closed, shaking it up. Make sure the lid is tight because you do not want this spraying all over your kitchen. And then you're gonna pop it. You hear that? So now, normally I put this in a mug. Do you see all that foam right there? This is what makes it so great. It's like a latte. So I'm gonna pour it into my Starbucks mug. Not sponsored by Starbucks, but you know, if you want to. No, just kidding. I mean, not really, that'd be great, but you know, whatevs. Okay, so I definitely kind of overdid it. It's definitely to the brim. So I'll take a couple sips of that, put the lid on, and then we're gonna go. This is breakfast today on the go. I will not eat at all again until lunchtime, and I will show you guys what I'm gonna have for lunch because I'm taking my lunch with me. So I'm not eating lunch out today, taking it with me, and you'll get to see what I was able to pack. Hi guys, okay, so it's lunch. So as I told you, I brought my lunch with me. I'm not in my house, I'm somewhere else, but I brought cauliflower cheese jalapeno muffins. I have 2 of them. So here's the thing, I didn't make these. My mom made them because I'm a grown adult and my mom still makes my food and makes it in batches and delivers it to my house. So she made these today and she's been making them for a really, really long time, but it's riced cauliflower, cheddar, jalapeno, and oh, and look at the bottoms. I never noticed. This one looks like she used almost like a little bundt cake donut pan to make it. This one's a little bit bigger. So I've never actually gotten the recipe from her. However, I did Google it really fast and I found the very first website. They look exactly the same. The ingredients seem the same, and the person on the website even already put in the ingredients, recipe, and the macros. So I'm gonna take the macros from that. I will tag them in the description box down below, so if you wanna find this and make it for yourself, you can go show them some love and make this. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about a minute, 30 seconds, and then this will be my lunch. So far today I've had water, I've had my bulletproof coffee, which I make with keto cream, and now I'll be having this, and it's about 12:30, so that's how long I went before having my lunch today. Well, I'm enjoying the daytime lighting that's coming through this window right here. I wish that I had it in my house, but I don't. So I will see you guys soon. Okay, bye. So I took them out of the microwave, cut it in half, and I will show you kind of what it looks like. I think she also, my mom, I think put some kind of maybe ham. There's some kind of, oh, bacon. Duh, there's bacon in here. So rice, cauliflower, cheese, bacon, jalapeno. It's spicy. When my husband makes them, well, when I say makes them, when we reheat the ones that my mom makes, my husband puts hot sauce on them. I've never done that. I don't need to. The jalapenos in it are hot enough for me. I think she probably, I have to imagine she just already uses pickled ones. I don't think she uses fresh ones, but I mean, we could ask her and find out. And this is all I need. So based on the macros from the website that I found, I think it said that there was 2 net carbs in each of these. I could be wrong. So obviously we're double that because I'm eating 2, and it had 8 grams of fat and 8 grams of protein. So doubling that. And for dinner tonight, we have my son's show. He's in Seussical tonight. So I have no idea what we're gonna do about dinner. I don't know if we're gonna eat before the show or if we're gonna go out after, which will be interesting because then I could show you guys what I do when we either go out to eat or have to order takeout. Yeah, I don't really have a plan, so you're just kind of hanging out with me today. So I will see you guys later. Hey guys, okay, so it is, I'm gonna look at the time. It's almost 3 o'clock, it's about 2:50. You've already seen breakfast and lunch, and now, again, I told you I have no idea what I'm doing for dinner. I think dinner is not going to happen, honestly, until like super late, like after the show tonight. So what I'm going to do is I'm having my ketone now, and it will keep me full throughout the time where I would probably be snacking. I still have my coat on because I'm actually getting ready to run out to pick up 2 out of 3 of my kids. So this is just like a normal busy day. So this is the, again, my nail polish, I'm so sorry. This is raspberry lemonade, and what I did was I take a shaker bottle, I fill it with ice water, and I filled it at this point up to about the 20-ounce line, and I'm going to open this and pour it in. And I do a ketone once a day. There are times where I do 2 a day, which is totally fine for you. I use it once a day to definitely help in between some meals with just having me, you know, feel full and satisfied. But ultimately, the mental focus, the brain function, better sleep, better mood, puts you in ketosis within like 30 or 60 minutes. It's just overall, I feel better. And when I do have days where I'm a little bit heavier on the carbs, it helps combat that and makes it so I don't have to stress out so much about being so on top of my macros, which is great because when I am busy and working, and whether I'm working from home or working out of an office, it can just be so hard sometimes to track everything, write everything down. I'm at a point now where I have a really good understanding of how my body responds to things, what kinds of foods I'm supposed to be eating. So I don't track as much unless I'm really making content for you guys, or unless I'm making a whole brand new recipe that I've never done before. Just snapping it, I'm gonna shake it. And I do that because, you know, I don't want to make this experience for myself something that I don't enjoy doing. I want to be able to enjoy this and have fun and be able to share with you guys because I really do feel great when I'm eating this way, when I'm drinking my ketones. So if that means that I get to loosen up on the macros a little bit, then that's what I'm going to do because that's how I've been able now to maintain for over a year. So it's great. Okay, so you see how it's turned pink? This is the raspberry lemonade. And so now I'm going to take this with me in the car as I go pick up my kids and do what I have to do. And maybe we'll do a little pop in before dinner because I don't know what I'm going to do about dinner. I think John's working late. I think I'm going to have to order something. I don't know. All right, well, share your dinner ideas down below in the comments. However, by the time that I post this, I will have already eaten the dinner, so it's really not gonna help me all that much, but maybe it can help someone else for next time, and even me, because I'll be living in the comments below until the next time. So, I'm gonna take my raspberry lemonade ketone, and I'm about to pounce. All right. Okay, so it is now right about 4 o'clock, so it's an hour later, and I am almost done. The ice has melted, so that's why it seems like there's still so much in there. Picked up that one and picked up that one. And now we're home.
I was the last one to get picked up because I stayed after school.
Yes.
Is this Facebook? For chorus,
It's
because,
not Facebook.
you know, singing is
life.
great. Singing's life.
Singing is life.
What is this? And I got a solo, so yeah.
It's for YouTube.
Oh, cute.
Okay.
I got a solo too.
You have a solo?
Yeah.
Oh. It is so late. It is 9 o'clock and we ordered dinner. So it's on its way, and my son in celebration will be having pizza. I will not. So what I ordered was wings that are not breaded. They are fried, not breaded. I'll have that with a side of my Marie's blue cheese dressing on the side to add some of the fats. And then we also got sauteed broccoli, and the way that they do it at this place is it's sauteed with lots of garlic and oil, so it's amazing. So that's just that. So I'll show it to you when it gets here. He brought the food. Okay, so I will show you guys what it looks like, and it's gonna look like a lot, but we're splitting it, so don't judge me, and then I'll throw in the macros for you too. Okay, these are the wings, so they're unbreaded, comes with hot sauce, and I have Marie's blue cheese dressing to go with them. And then this part is amazing. Okay, it comes with bread, not gonna eat that, but here we have broccoli and there's the chunks of garlic. It's just so delicious. So I've thrown the macros together for the entire day, and my net carbs are actually like 4% or something like that, super low. Did really well with that. My fats are really high, protein was moderate, so I feel good about the day, and I'm really psyched about it because I didn't even plan it. So you don't have to have everything totally planned out in order to succeed. You could totally do it. So if you guys enjoyed following me around today, would you go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because then you're gonna see all new content when it comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around the channel, and until next time,